This is question 35 from exercise 1.1 in Project Maths 3a. We have to find the value of a plus b minus 1 all over a minus b plus 1 when a is equal to a half and b is equal to 2/3. So this is going to require us to substitute 1/2 in for a, so replace a in our expression with a half and substitute b 2/3 in for b, so we're going to replace b with 2/3 in our expression. So when we rewrite that, on the top of the fraction we get 1/2 plus 2/3 minus 1 over 1. I'm just rewriting 1 as 1 over 1 to make it easier to work with it a bit later. And then on the bottom of the fraction we're going to have 1/2 minus 2/3 plus 1 over 1, like that. Now in order to do the sums on the top and bottom of our fraction here, we're going to have to find the lowest common denominator and combine the fractions. So the lowest common multiple between 2, 3 and 1 is 6. So we got our fraction line. On the top we're going to have all over 6. And we're going to do the same thing on the bottom because the numbers are the same. And the way we figure out what goes on top, we go 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we're going to take that 3 and multiply by what's above 2. It's going to be 3 times 1, like that. Our plus stays in there. Then we're going to go 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So we're going to multiply that 2 by the 2 that's above 3. So we get 2 times 2. And then 6 divided by 1 is 6. So we're going to multiply that 6 by that 1 on top. We have minus 6 times 1, like that. And we'll do the same thing on the bottom. So on the bottom down here we have 6 divided by 2 is 3. We're going to have 3 times 1. We're going to have our minus there. Then 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we're going to have 2 times 2. And 6 divided by 6 is 6 divided by 1 is 6. So it's going to be 6 times 1 on top, like that. And then we're just going to tidy up our fractions. On the top we're going to have 3 plus 4 minus 6 all over 6. So 3 plus 4 minus 6 all over 6. And then on the bottom we're going to have 3 minus 4 plus 6 all over 6, just like that. Now we're going to tidy this up a bit further. So on top we have 3 plus 4 minus 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. So on top we have 1/6. And on the bottom we have 3 minus 4 plus 6. 3 minus 4 is minus 1, and minus 1 plus 6 is 5. So we have 1/6 over 5/6. But that is the same as saying 1/6 divided by 5/6. And in order to divide when you've got fractions involved, you flip the second fraction and you multiply them. So 1/6 divided by 5/6 becomes 1/6 multiplied by 6/5. And if we multiply that out, we get 6 over 30. And if we simplify that down, that's going to be equal to 1/5. And that is that.